Olubadan Balogun dies at 82. The 42nd Olubadan of Ibadan land, HRM Oba Mahood Olalekan Balogun, is dead. He was aged 82. According to a local online newspaper in Oyo State, oyoinsight.com, the first-class monarch died at the University College Hospital UCH Ibadan a few hours after he was admitted into the tertiary health facility on Thursday evening. Born in 1942, Oba Balogun, who was a 4th Republic senator, represented Oyo Central Senatorial District between 1999 and 2003. He ascended the throne on March 11, 2022, after the demise of Oba Saliu Adetunji Aje Oguguniso III. Adetunji, 93, had died on January 2nd, 2022, after reigning from March 4, 2016. With the unique succession system of Olubadan rule, Oba Owolabi Olakuleyin, the current Balogun Olubadan of Ibadan, who is next in line, will be officially announced after the traditional 21 days of mourning as the next Olubadan of Ibadan land. May your soul rest in peace. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please hit subscribe button and like this video. Thank you.